boys and girls, welcome to Social Studies. Today is going to be another day about learning about a symbol of the United States. Just so we can remember, a symbol is something that stands for something else. Today we are going to learn about the bald eagle. We are going to learn about this majestic bird because this majestic bald eagle is a symbol of the United States of America. The bald eagle is a symbol that we are free. This bird represents freedom because it flies beautifully and freely around the United States. And this bird was chosen in the 1700s when we just got free from Great Britain. So we chose it to show that we are free. The bald eagle was chosen as a symbol on June 20th, 1782. That was only about not even 10 years into declaring our freedom from Great Britain. It was chosen for its long life, beauty, and strength. Look at this bird. Look how beautiful and strong it looks. The bald eagles are strong carnivorous birds, and we know that if you're a carnivore, that means that you eat meat. So bald eagles eat meat. They eat fish and other small mammals. They also finish meals from other animals, which means they're kind of a scavenger, but they don't do this all the time. They grab the little rodents, so they eat field mice and they eat fish with their long talons or nails or claws. Look at these things. They're crazy looking. They're super long and super sharp. So the bald eagle can just grab its prey and fly it back to its nest. That's pretty cool if you ask me. That really shows that it's a strong bird, especially since it's a carnivore. Bald eagles are native to North America. They're not found many other places in the world other than Alaska and Canada. That's why it was chosen to be a symbol of the United States, because you can't find them in Europe unless they're brought there. Bald eagles can live for 28 years. That is a very long life for a bird, boys and girls. They weigh from 6 to 14 pounds. That's not that much, but their wingspan, and your wingspan is from the tip of his wing all the way across, is 6 to 8 feet. Now, Miss Sorrentino is only 5 feet tall. So 6 to 8 feet is like a whole door. So when they spread their wings out to fly, it's like the length of a whole entire door. It's really cool. Bald eagles, something happened a couple years ago. They almost went extinct because people were hunting them. And the United States said, no way. Bald eagles are our symbol. We have to protect them. So the United States then put in laws that said people can no longer hunt bald eagles. And now they are safe and their numbers are going up. Today you can see the bald eagle on many things that represent the United States. You can see it on the back of a quarter and on the Great Seal. Don't worry about the Great Seal. We'll learn about it soon. The bald eagle is a beautiful bird. I want you to think, is the bald eagle a good symbol of the United States? Think about it. I do. But what do you think? And what is one word you would use to describe the bald eagle? Today I want you to draw a picture of the bald eagle and label it with that word. I'm going to go back and show you all the pictures we have in here of these bald eagles and how beautiful, majestic, and strong they are. Okay, boys and girls, it's your turn. You can do it. Bye.